Well, in diagnosing any disease, we must first establish what we call patient and doctor relationship. This is where we establish our history. Okay? What is wrong with you could be related to your family's health. Hi, I'm Dr. Mallari. I'm a primary care physician. I'm an internist, and I also practice occupational health, school health, and clinical nutrition. I've been a doctor for more than 10 years already, and I practice here in Angeles City, Mexico, and also in San Fernando, Pampanga. So I've been asked so many times, why take medicine? Why become a doctor? Well, as a child, it's been a dream of mine to help people, and as a doctor, we are able to help others heal the sick, alleviate their pains and sufferings, and that's one of the most fulfilling things of being a doctor and being able to treat. Well, primary care is important because in the ever-changing field of medicine, there are many specialists. There are many doctors that you can see you, but it's important that there's someone who can guide you from the start. Your primary care physician is important in that he or she will be the one to guide you on what steps to take. One, who to see first, who to see next, what to do. In our field of specialization, prevention is almost always better than cure. But in finding that cure, sometimes you need a team. And in the team, well, the first person to beat you. Well, the primary benefits of having a primary care physician is that because your needs would always be varied. You may have issues or questions regarding your mental health, your fitness, what to eat, what to do, and what to do next. So your primary care physician will be there to care for you and be there always. Well, in primary care, we cater to varied illnesses. Most common of these would be our non-communicable diseases, such as your hypertension, coronary artery diseases, your diabetes mellitus, your weight problems. You also have your communicable diseases, such as your pulmonary diseases. In cases of infections and needing of other specialists, we could always refer you to that. For example, you have problems with the bones, osteoporosis or osteoarthritis, we could refer you to our friendly rheumatologists. Or if you underwent surgery and in need of rehabilitation medicine, of course, we have that here also at PRI. Well, in diagnosing any disease, we must first establish what we call patient and doctor relationship. This is where we establish our history. Okay? What is wrong with you could be related to your family's health. Unfortunately, during the pandemic, we were all hit and it changed our lives. The normal routines of checkups, annual physical examinations, pre-employment examinations, and even travel clearances were halted. In this time, when things are getting back to normal, it's pretty good to go see your doctor again, to have those diagnostic tests done that you have forgone because of the pandemic. And finally, get the much needed boost in your health by having executive checkups, by having yourself checked, and by knowing exactly what's wrong with you. And if everything's okay, how we can keep that situation. So this is where our friendly specialists come into play. For example, I requested for a chest x-ray routinely because of your condition, and I found something that would warrant a specialist consult. I will then refer you to a pulmonologist. If, for example, you had a history of fall, and I requested for a x-ray and I see that you are in need of orthopedic consult, I will then refer you to our friendly orthopedic surgeons readily available. For example, another would be if I found an infection and it would probably be needing a specialist consult. Again, it would warrant that I would refer you to an infectious disease specialist. All of these which are available at PRI Medical Center. Of course, our primary priority is to keep you healthy, to keep you from getting sick. But in the off chance that you do get sick and you need help, you need the services of an X-ray, laboratories, an emergency room, or even hospital admission, PRI Medical Center is there for you. So, in summary, primary care is of utmost importance because better health care begins with having a better healthcare partner, your doctors, who guide you in becoming the best that you can be. So come to a place where you are welcome, where expectations are met, and where patient satisfaction is the standard. Because here at PRI Medical Center, you are a priority.